You want to install? You want to install the mod? Okay, it's on you. I'm going upstairs. You take care of it, right? What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Maddie here, as always. Yeah, today we are installing finally a mod to the C6. It might shoot flames. Who knows? Who knows? Do you think they can shoot flames? I don't know. I don't know. We are doing the two-step. If you don't know what two-step is, it's basically this module is gonna do a two-step and launch control. Basically, every car has a rev limiter. This basically, I'm gonna explain it here in a very simple way, right? I'm not gonna get too technical on it, but what this module does, that lowers your rev limiter. So you get the pa 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 pa. So we'll see, maybe you can get flames, maybe you're not. As far as I did my research, it's a plug and play thing. So let's give it a try. If you didn't subscribe, make sure to subscribe, hit that like so we can push my videos to more people, and I really need your help. Please, 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 like, subscribe. Alright, here's what I got, right? MSG two-step launch control for GM LS engines. Can you see it? So this was 280 bucks. It comes with, this is to connect to your clutch. This is just a wire kind of pinch. And I'm saying, I'll show you more later. Here's the two-step itself. Here's the harness. It's a plug and play thing. There's no way to plug that wrong because you see one's male, the other one's female. Same for the other side. And it comes with all the wire management and everything. And here's the box. You see here, you have two settings. That's where you tell this module which kind of RPM you wanna. Like if you wanna, I don't know, 3500. That's, you put a 3500 there, right? So it should be a plug and play. That's the hardest part of this one, putting this wire through the firewall, because this you gotta attach this. The way I'm gonna install, you gotta attach this to your clutch pedal. So every time you push the clutch and you hit the RPM that you set on the module, you're gonna get the two-step, right? So the clutch basically engages the module. So the challenge is to make this fitting through the firewall, which I'll figure out a way. We'll see, right? So let's get to work. First things first. Next step, and I was doing some research here how to do it. This wire here, right, the blue wire, has to go here to the clutch pedal. So what I did, I removed this piece here, right, that I'll put it back on. And then my idea with that piece out is to run here, because to reach the firewall down there, and I'll put some lights so we can see it, it's almost impossible. I don't want to put like any holes there. So I'm gonna run through here, here, and here. If Mia let me, she's helping though, so never mind. I'm gonna remove this part here, right, and run through here and down there to the clutch, and I'll show exactly what the clutch plug looks like. This is the hardest part so far. So I'll do some cable management here and I'll show you guys the final result, because I need my two hands. 2,000 years later, I ran, as I show you guys, over here. I hope you guys can see it. Let me see. That's where I pinched the wire. The blue wire goes to the gray wire on that connection, the white connection right there, right? I'm gonna put everything back together here, and then we're gonna plug on the front, which is pretty simple. Woo! Ready to go. Now, it is the easiest part. This is the hardest part so far. Now we're gonna attach each side of the coil plug, and we should be good to go. You unplug this one. Just be careful. You have two sides. Of course, the longest one goes to the other side, and this one goes there. There's no way you plug this wrong because it just goes in one way. So this one goes here, and this one goes here. And we're gonna repeat the process for the other side too. Same process, one here and one there. So it's pretty much those two plugs, and then I'm gonna do some cable management, right? Like this. I can have access to adjust if I need to, you know what I'm saying? You see here there are two two holes, three holes actually. So you can drill on your car. I'm not drilling on my car, so I'm gonna put 3M tape on it and see if that holds. All right, I don't think it's going anywhere. And here you adjust the settings. So right now it's set to 5 and 5. See there the narrow. So I'm gonna probably put like 3500, 3400 kind of thing. So now let's put everything back together, the covers and all, bring the car outside and see what happened. Let's the car warm up a little bit because I don't want to rev when it's super cold, and today's cold though. I think it's like 39 to 41 degrees. Well, let's you know, let the car warm up for a little bit, and I'm gonna take for a spin. I'm gonna drive a little bit. I don't want to like keep it revving it, especially because tomorrow I'm going to a track. So so just to recap, I set the two-step for 4,000 ish, 4,000, 4,200 something on that range, which is pretty high, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. I don't want to, because if you set the RPMs too low, that can cause damage to a bunch of stuff. Anyway, I'll go for a drive. The car's still super cold, and then once it warms up, we'll see if this baby can do a two-step. I think I drove the car for like 10 minutes. Should be warm enough. I mean, temperature is showing me warm enough. I'm gonna stop here. I'm kind of nervous though. I'm gonna stop here and do the first rev. Like, let's see. Did you guys hear that? Oh my god, dude. Oh, holy. Sorry, I don't curse. I normally don't curse. But boy. Did you hear that? I'll do it one more time. Look. I think it's I mean, if I can dial a little bit less so I don't rev too like high, I think I can do like, let's see if I can do a launch control. I gotta get you guys shots from outside. Man, Junior is gonna have a heart attack. He's gonna have a heart attack. 100% he's gonna have a heart attack. I know this is not good for the engine, blah blah blah. You guys who drive your car, like, really careful. I get it. I know I like to, but that sound right there. Ready? here, he's gonna hear. I knew it!
That's pretty cool. What do you have it set at, 2,000?
4.
That's 4 grand? Oh man.
It's 4 grand, dude, look at that. I was like, I gotta show it to him.
Dude, that's cool.
4 grand.
I figured at 4 grand it would really be banging a lot.
If I try to put it lower, it doesn't do anything. I mean, it does do it, but give it a try. You gotta push the clutch. That's your fault.
That's pretty cool.
That's your fault. Man, your dad's gonna kill me. He is gonna kill me.
Hey, Dad.
You ready for this?
Check it out.
I told you, your dad's like, he's gonna kill me. What do you think? He hates
cool.
it. Once in a while, I mean, I promise, once in a while.
Cool. Any guys who design engines for a living hear that and they're like, oh, are you f***ing kidding me? No.
That I didn't know about that. That was him. He's like, hey, look what I got for my Camaro. I was like,
Yeah, pin kit. Mine go in
what?
on the sides, not straight in.
Really?
Yeah.
Where your harmonic goes, like you have space on the side. That's.
This is the one, and I was confused too, because look, here's everything. The bit, the ream. I've never pinned a crank before, so I was talking to my buddy Joe who was here, and he's like, oh yeah, no problem. I showed him this. He was like, I've never seen one like that before.
Yeah, I haven't seen it.
So it's, it's directly from ATI, and it's said it's for the ATI super damper that I got. So.
I don't know, because mine, I put a pin right here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I put one on each side. I haven't seen this yet.
Me either.
So here's the thing we were talking about. Don't put a two-step if you don't have the pin that we were talking about. I mean, you can do it, but
I don't recommend it.
I don't recommend too. So that wasn't the one thing though. Everybody was like, are you sure you're gonna pin your crank? I was like, dude, I'm there.
Yeah, do it.
Why not? You know what I'm saying?
And especially if you ever do something like a pro charger or something like that, you're gonna want to pin it anyway. So.
Okay, one more time before we leave. Raise the head about it. Oh man, that's so much fun, dude. That's it. We made it back home. The car sounds amazing. I don't know if it's getting through the camera, but dude, sounds so good. I hope you guys enjoy it. This was a plug and play thing. Again, I'll leave the link for the park below so you can, if you want to get your car two-step. What I would recommend though, if you don't have your harmonic balancer pinned to the crank, don't do it or don't use that much. I'm not even gonna use that much, to be honest. I set to 43,000 RPMs, which is pretty high. You really gotta get into it, but it's just there if I'm gonna drag race or, you know what I'm saying, to make some fun. But no, I'm not gonna use, definitely not gonna use too much. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, make sure to smash that like and also subscribe, and also browse their channel so you can see more videos like this one. Alright, I'll see you guys next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.